over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my fans with TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Stellenbosch 0, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by Usiamtanda. Simthembile.
Oh, you. Esinkujo many respect. Ngicazela phansi uri right. Usimthembile.
Sure, Steve.
Askize Rotman.
Ne akunankinga Steve. Yeah, asiqale kule ndaba yale game yangomso Steve ne. I think uPSL imeli bayilungise maybe next season kwi fixtures nelayo whereby kwi fixture eSundowns neChiefs. Ingabi midweek Steve because there is a problem nale ticketing system now yabo uthola ukuthi stadium abantu bangena kade ukwi delay because la game is sold out and he decide a league so igame ezinjaya Steve mele bazinge weekend yabo because asikose Europe South Africa transportation inzima kune time abantu bambe ebusuku kunabantu bafuna utravel abazobukela igame because igame enkulu la fixture is over 50 years exist yabo i big fixture okay ke Steve man thuli caps ngoku siqale sibonga unknown funa ubongela masibongela umdokisi Steve the first player to score kwibafana bafana 7 July 1992 against Cameroon. Uyisebenzele South Africa uyayideserve la award ayifunene officially ngoku ungu Dr. Khumalo. Ngumdokisi omanyane. I-doctor manje bamhonorship. Sebemhonorship nge-30 I think 30 ka-April. So siyambongela singamakhosi. No masiphinde sibongele no Chayine Steve because ubreak record ka Monip Joseph. I think li-existe for 16 years la record ninga break. So I'm a big fan yabantu kaba break record le legends because ibonakalisa improvement in South Africa. So whether we like it or not Chayine ugood Steve whether singane problem si team mhlambi character yakhe but uChayine siyambongela Steve siyambongela asingene egamini ke Steve asikho
singikhabulile singazazi indaba zakamntoyini
every day Steve ngiyakhabulisa ngiyakhabulisa and umdokisi wazala 1967 Steve official neKapa 1967 iKapa ibrand enkulu Steve is from Italy umdokisi but is better discipline Steve no asingene egamini Steve Steve ndi disappointed about uGavin Phofu yang disappointer because uGavin yenye coaches ezina experience I think una over 1000 games as coach le wa bypass record ka Gordon Nickerson who coach that on experience kwi league so uGavin Handi always udlala football of hopes une wish yoba maybe ngizoscore kana solution up front but defensive uqale kahle ngu experienced goalkeeper Say Stevens waqala ngepairing ene experience uLibusa unda wadlala lomjita kuna lomjita udlala number 6 la ngemkhohliwe umthiyane and waqala ngoTitus no kunale ntwana idlala left imnandi uphili but it seems like ebengena solution up front ebezo absorb parity by anga concede but the game ibi tight and yazi noba iweather na pressure yoba isizini yaphela iplayers are stressing maybe they want to rush things but ithathe individual brilliance yazi ngihlala ngemiulo utito but today uphakamisile because sifuna londo kuye asebenza otherwise talent ikhona asidoubt honestly ungisurprisile because even if nangobe ngibona ku line up nsithi iFarits izolose but ungisurprisile umfana awusebenzile mfana awusebenzile Steve no sibelebele masimbongele Steve uphakamisile because now isizini ifuna iplayers iphakamise because the games is tight so amaphakaniya ndiyawabongela Steve I think iyona season le yena adlale ngayo and asibukelise idisk kule season amabhakani asibukelisile but people abantu bebhola bayalibala Steve because first round bingamabhakani yabesibukelise idisk because Sundowns was not there amabhakani yaphakamisile first round and I'm an advocate yalanto nandithethe ukuthi I want i-league i-decide nge-last day i-play ijikeleze Steve i-round kuliwe ngawe because ndiyabona kuyakwatwa kumele sizenzele uStipho wakatemu ngokuthi kadlala enye game uStipho omnye abheke ngapha ndifuna kuliwe ngawo nge-last game uthi Sundowns iya-decide ngabe i-Pirates kwenzele ne-sponsors because before sebezi-supporters e-Kaizer Chiefs saqala sazi-supporters e-football Stipho so if i-football ibhola iphakamise ohlobo which means i-South African football kune-interest i-sponsors everything nani nespan because i-fans ziyaye e-stadium so ndiyayithanda le season baphakamise kakhulu and ndihlala ndikhalela indaba yoba makubuyiswe ama-club awards I'm not sure noba aphelile okanye because i-teams they need ziqale ngokwazo zirecognize i-players because if uzolinda i-PSL inika uchayini goalkeeper of the season what if akawinanga league uzoba kwi-politics zoba hayi uRowan uyadeserve so I'm an advocate yokuba ku-appreciate ama-players kwenzela uba at least i-league yethu ibundi iphakame Stipho otherwise andifuna uthetha kakhulu ngegame because igame bengenazo into zi-interesting yabo but I was not expecting that ibe igame because when you playing uGavin uzokufrustrate akudefend because it's an experienced coach and akanikisi nje ngo3 points but iPirates kule season ayiphakamisile ayikwatile kule season iPirates eSundowns but nayo iSundowns izi-points machine so akululanga Stipho so anandwe ngako Stipho thank you
Jayam